The law of attraction is everywhere, and it's behind all manifestations of life. It is essential to understand it if you want a spiritual life that belongs to your dreams. In general, the law of attraction is simple, but it can be very difficult to explain and accept. In physics, the law of attraction states that the opposites attract each other. But the universal law of attraction is different. According to the universal law of attraction, things that are alike attract each other. So for example, money will attract more wealth, success will attract more success, friends will attract more friends. If you think you have money and you want to attract more money, then you will attract it. And the same goes for the negative stuff. If you think you are poor, you will attract more poverty. If you think you are ill, you will attract more illness. If you put your mind to something, then the law of attraction responds exactly to your thoughts. Regardless it is good or bad, or useless or efficient, that's your thought and that's what's coming your way. Either you like it or not. And get this, the more you focus your thoughts on something, again, good or bad, you generate more force of attraction and bring that into your life. That is why it's essential to think positive and focus on the good things. Think about your dreams, think about good health, how your bank accounts get fatter and fatter. Think about what you want your life to be, because that is what you attract in your life. The law of attraction always and without exception will overlap with your unconscious thoughts. Many of the unwanted things in your life have arrived here thanks to your unconscious thoughts. In fact, over 90% of our thoughts are unconscious. If you limit your thoughts, for example, if your financial situation isn't the greatest, if you limit your thoughts and think, oh, I'm so poor, I don't have enough money, you mold your thoughts to your situation. But you have to do the exact opposite of that. You need to trust your situation will mold after your thoughts. To be able to freely express those desires that would make you happy, you must separate yourself completely from all those limiting beliefs. The law of attraction works with or without our voluntary interference. Whether we know it or not, whether we acknowledge it or not, it works even if we don't believe in it. Consequently, the law of attraction gives us the impression that it controls our thoughts, conscious and unconscious, and regardless of whether they are good or bad. But that is not the case. The law of attraction serves you. You just need to learn how to think the right way. This system is automatic and does not depend on you, even though it manifests through you. If you exist, the system works. Any feelings, any thoughts, the feelings of this moment, this action will have an impact on how the law of attraction will work for you. That is why you have to monitor your thoughts and feelings. If you feel good and think positive, then good things will happen to you. And this is an option you always have. Even in the darkest moments of your life, it's your decision to think positive or let the negative thoughts take over and attract more unwanted situations. I understand it's not going to be easy. Hard situations are called that for a reason, because they are hard. But you have to focus on the positive. You have to look for that silver lining and focus on what you really want to happen in your life. But just thinking positive about something won't get you far if you don't get up and take action. In order for a positive thought to come true, you must take action. Only negative thoughts don't require any effort to come true. The best advice I can give you is this: feel good. Do whatever you can to feel good. Because when you feel good, your emotional guidance system will tell you that you are aligned with what you desire most. And the law of attraction responds accordingly and brings more of that good into your life. No matter what it is, more money, more health, more joy, brings more good into your life. The law of attraction responds better to the desires and dreams that come from your heart. The harder you want something to come true, the harder it will work for you to provide. It responds better to thoughts that have strong emotional connections. If you feel bad and think negative, then some bad and nasty things are being attracted. For example, let's say you lost your job. If you think, oh crap, now I'm going to be unemployed, It will take forever to find another job. I will spend all my savings on bills. Then that's what's coming your way. If you control your thoughts, and even in this stressful situation you stay positive and think the right way, I will find a better job elsewhere. My next job will be my dream job. Then that is what you ask for, and that is what you'll get. Focus on what you want to achieve, only on what you want in your life, and make sure you are doing everything that needs to be done to get you that. But always, at all times, have an image in your mind of your dream already achieved. In our mind is a continuous struggle between desires and limiting beliefs. And that is why the law of attraction will bring to life both desired and unwanted thoughts. That is why you need to control the unwanted thoughts. Reserve 15-20 minutes daily, not weekly, not monthly, daily. Spend this moment in a place where you can relax. Put your phone offline and exclude any other sources of distraction to be able to focus entirely on your thoughts. Take this time to think about what you truly want to happen in your life. Think about your goals and dreams, what you think will make you complete if achieved. There are numerous meditation techniques that will help you find your focus. You'll have to find the right technique for you, the one that works best for you. And I suggest you find it fast. Roy T. Bennett, the author of the book The Light in the Heart, said, "Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind, be led by the dreams in your heart." That's today's episode. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, stay positive, stay happy, be successful.